Hey there, it's Steve from SeriousKeto.com, and this is just going to be a quick little video as I'm getting ready to go into a 72-hour extended fast. Okay, so actually the fast started last night, I guess, when I finished dinner. I just didn't realize till this morning that I was going to do this 72-hour fast. I will be creating a follow-up video where I will explain my motivation, why I decided to do this particular fast, as well as my experiences during the fast and my results when all is said and done. If you want to make sure that you see that video, click the subscribe button down there and then click that little bell next to it so you're notified when that video drops. So for this fast, what I'm going to allow myself to consume over the next 72 hours, or I guess now we're probably down to, under 60 hours. But what I will allow myself to consume will be water, green tea, an apple cider vinegar and lemon juice tonic, which I will include the recipe to in the follow-up video. And then this one I'm sort of questionable on, and you know, we might want to talk about this down in the comment section, is a variation on bulletproof coffee. So it will be coffee with MCT oil and collagen peptides. Which kind of brings me to my other point. What I would love to have happen over the course of the next couple of days is for us to have a discussion down there in the comment section. If you've had experience with extended fasts and there are things that you feel that you could share, please, by all means, do so. I'm sure the people that view this video would love to hear it. Things that worked well for you, maybe things that you wish you had done or wish you hadn't done. The other thing I'd like to talk about is fasting and autophagy. So if you've watched some of the videos by Dr. Eric Berg or Thomas DeLauer or a number of other sources out here on YouTube, they talk a lot about the benefits of autophagy, which kicks in at about hour 16 to hour 18 of a fast and really becomes your body's recycling program. There's a lot of health benefits to it. Those people that I mentioned earlier explain it far better. Check out their channels. Now, what I find interesting is there's a lot of dissenting opinion out on the interwebs and even on YouTube videos about what breaks a fast versus what breaks autophagy. And I wondered, you know, do I really care? Do you really care? If I break the fast through MCT oil, but stay in autophagy, is that still, you know, meeting my goals? So I'd love to have a dialogue on this. Please, if you've got some comments, throw them down in there. Let's chat. Let's chat about this. And the next time you actually see me will be 72 hours from now, give or take. Thanks for watching.